Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Sarkar Jilla Lingba ke Kenhud Menteri Kabalalong Mentakasngi ka Arpotrik Unaitung Kalarai ban Pinkeu Dor da Sanpo Naya ya ka Penyang Diesel ha kabala da pej ya ka Dor jong ka Penyang Hapok Nong Ba Guwahati jong ka Jilla Assam ka Dor kalong Kandai Potingka Poin Lai Pulai Naya kat bah ka Than Khana Parapat Kedor jong ke diesel ka poi tangkum ba prapu sau tingka shipo naya ha ka baga jingya pher ka long hado hinreu tingka poin arpulai naya bala da bishar bat pet kat kum gajing penmi pisa ke jela na kaliang ke sarkar ka larai ban penkeu ya ka penyang diesel da sanpo naya badula ongru badon kam ban bo jingmot pakan don ka jingya pher ha ka dor jong ka penyang hapdeng ka yo hanong ba Guwahati bat ka Than Khana Para ka badan Hari Boy district bat ban pet benya pat yat kat kum ka dor jong ko penyang ka bala bu hapo ka ri barok ka wei khnang bakanam don ka jingkeu dor jong ko penyang saba palat put badu Konrad ula ongru bakum bakalong menta ka Meghalaya ka de ka wei ni ki jilla hapo ka ri ka badang duna tam ka dor jong ko penyang diesel.
Second decision that was taken was regarding the increase in terms of the rate of tax on diesel. As you're aware that the price of diesel between Meghalaya and Assam as of now is quite high. Guwahati the rate is 90 rupees 33 paisa, whereas in Khanapara it is 84 rupees 10 paisa. That means a difference of 6 rupees 23 paisa in diesel is there right now between Khanapara and Guwahati, and hence obviously looking at the overall revenue for the state. We have decided to increase it in a first stage by 50 paisa. And so as I said, we will keep two things in mind. Number one, that there should be a kind of a difference in the rate so that we have a rate advantage between Guwahati market and the Reboy and Khanapara market. And number two, that we will always keep in mind the national average so that the overall rates do not go above the national average. And we have been always maintaining that Meghalaya is as of now maintaining one of the lowest rates of petrol price and diesel price in the country as of now. In a year,
roughly around 350 crores.
350 crores, roughly. You talk about petrol and diesel?
Excise.
Yeah. No, excise is different. Petrol, diesel, we are looking at about 350 crores.
Coming to the hike in diesel, whether it will affect the transportation of essential commodities, thereby increasing the rate of the essential.
See, the point is that, as I said, number one, every decision will affect something or the other. There's nothing to hide about that. But the point is, if you look at the difference in the price, it's at 6 rupees right now, and hence more than 6 rupees in fact. So that's very high. Normally, we have maintained a difference of about 2 to 3 rupees, and hence there is clearly a huge scope of revenue for us. We are increasing it by 50 paisa right now, and we'll see accordingly as we go along how we can maybe further reduce the gap, because as I said, a gap of 5-6 rupees is very high. It's never happened before. But yes, impact will be there marginally. I'm not saying there's going to be a huge impact or anything in the prices. It's not that we'll see complete escalation of prices, but as I said, we have to balance as a government both sides. We have to also see revenue. We need revenue generation. So therefore, this is clearly an area of revenue generation for us, and there's a reason. Seeing that huge gap, we have decided to take this step.
This hike of 50 paisa is applicable only for petrol pumps in districts bordering Assam or in the whole?
No, whole state. So therefore, the rates are, if you look at it, in the whole, I just give you example of Khanapara because that's what matters. But if you look at the rate in Shillong, it's 85.72. So Khanapara is 84.1. Tura is 85.5. Ampatti is 85.57. And these are differences there because of the transportation cost. And Guwahati is 90.3. So even in a place like from, say, Tura or Shillong or Ampatti, there's a difference of 5 rupees.
With this hike, how much we are putting in the state's coffer?
We expect maybe in an annual basis we'll have an impact of close to about 5.
No, sir, this is only for 50 paisa.
Yeah.
Around 5-6 crores.
Yeah, 5-6 crores is what we expect of increase in the revenue annually.